Hello Vechain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. My friends, in this video I'm talking about the Vechain. What's the currently latest update of the Vechain? In this video I'm going to show you. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. What's the currently price change? So when the Vechain, is the price pump, is the price dump now at this time? And what will be the next move of the Vechain? In this video I'm going to show you. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Now my friends, at this time the price of the Vechain is 0.087937 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Vechain. And now at this time, my friends, as I told you, I also predicted the Vechain in my previous video that the July month is the good month of the Vechain. Absolutely, my friends, the Vechain will take a huge pump in the July month, and same like that 0.3% positive change so in the Vechain, my friends, at this time in the market. And furthermore, you can see here, let me show you the more details. You can see here you can convert your Vechain into USD dollar, my friends. Here put your VAT Vechain, and here is the USD dollar price of the Vechain, my friends. Let's see the overview chart of the Vechain. First of all, my friends, I have a question for all of you. Please tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about the Vechain today, my friends? Good or bad? Personally, I am feeling good. So let's see. Absolutely, my friends, a very highly people vote for a good, my friends, and very less people understand that it's a bad. No, absolutely, Vechain changes is good, my friends. Now you can see here, my friends, from the previous last 1 week the changes occur in the Vechain as positive, my friends. You can see here that the last 1 week change is positive, last 24 hours change is positive, last 1 hour change is positive. So every change occur in the Vechain in this time is positive, my friends. The Vechain is going good. Furthermore, let me show you the price chart. Absolutely, my friends, the price chart also going good. And you can see here the price also faster for some time, but after some period of time you can see that is the 30 June and 1 July, and the start of 1 July you can see here they start jumping. That is the 1st July 2021. In the July, in the beginning of the July, the price of Vechain start pumping, my friends. So absolutely, I hope July month is a good month of the Vechain, and they will give you good amount of profit. Anyways, tell me in the comment box what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Vechain. Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe every station for more news and updates videos.